At Smile Creations, we also treat TMJ disorders and jaw joint problems. Patients that tend to grind or clench their teeth at night while they're sleeping will wake up in the morning with headaches, earaches, and other problems. By treating TMJ disorders and problems with appliances that we use here at Smile Creations, we're able to help relieve a lot of the pain that patients have when they wake up in the morning or from clenching or grinding at night, which is a symptom of sleep apnea, which we also treat here at Smile Creations.